What's up guys, welcome to another Scratch tutorial. This is part 7 on how to make a maze game in Scratch, and in this video, how to make the pistol shoot bullets. So as you can see, I can shoot the bullets from the pistol. And also, if I go to the enemy, as you can see, I can shoot the enemy and the enemy dies, which is what I'm going to be showing you how to make today. But anyways, without further ado, let's get started. The code from last time, and if you haven't seen parts 1 through 6 yet, you can check them out, links in the description. But anyways, first I'm going to create a new sprite, and I'm going to call this sprite Bullet. And I have a costume for my backpack. Okay, so I want to just create a simple rectangle, and this will be basically a yellow rectangle, which will be a bit smaller, and I'll put this in the center. Okay, I'm going to go to events and drag a one green flag clicked, and I'm going to make sure it hides. Next, I'm going to go into the player sprite, and inside this if statement, I'm going to go to control and drag an if statement and check if pistolbot is equal to true. Then I'm going to check if mouse down. Then I'm going to go to control, drag a wait until block, go to operators, drag a not, and then I'm going to duplicate this. So wait until not mouse down, and I'm going to go to control and drag a create clone of bullet. Okay, so inside the bullet sprite, I'm going to drag on when I start a show and go to motion and drag a go to weapon. And I'm going to point in direction, go to sensing, and I'm going to drag backdrop number of stage block. I'm going to change this to weapon and change this to direction. And I'm going to make sure this is player. So I'm going to show, go to player, and point in direction of weapon. And then I'm going to go to control and drag a repeat until loop, and to repeat until, I'm going to drag in two ors, and I'm going to go to sensing and drag a touching edge, and I'm going to drag a touching enemies. Drag this in the right side of the second or, and in the left side I'm going to drag a touching color, and I'm going to make sure this is black. And then I'm going to go to motion and drag a move 10 steps, and finally I'm going to go to control and drag a delete this clone. So the bullet will keep on moving 10 steps until it touches the edge, the color black, or the enemy. Okay, so now inside the enemy sprite, I'm going to drag in when I start as a clone, and a forever loop, and an if statement. So I'm going to check if touching bullet, then I'm going to wait 0 seconds, and I'm going to drag a delete this clone. So now I'm going to buy the pistol, and as you can see, the pistol can shoot, which is exactly what I want. But anyways, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next Scratch tutorial. Peace out.